Yo, so today we are going. Where we going, Heather?
Skate park.
Going to the skate park, man. He been asking me to go to the skate park for
About, it feels like a month for me.
yeah, probably like a month. But he's not going to skateboard.
Bike.
He's going to bike, alright? He
I'm
gonna need.
terrible on a skateboard.
Terrible on the skateboard?
Yes,
me
I can't
too,
even
bro.
like do it. I can't even do a nollie on one.
You can't do it. Ollie.
That easy,
Oh,
you just lift off the ground.
Okay. Before we go there, we actually need to stop by Academy because he got a helmet, but he need knee pads, elbow pads because
But to me, I don't need.
to him he don't need them, right? Because he's 7 and he think he's untouchable. What?
If I got this one.
Oh, there's a haircut too. That's what you need.
Yes, I want a haircut.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get you one of those tomorrow. Yeah. So before we get to that, make sure y'all stop what y'all doing. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that post notification bell, man. Come join the fam, drop bangers every single day on this channel. Also PS5 giveaway, man. If you want a chance to win a PS5, all you gotta do is go to officialtraction.com or shoptraction.com, buy some merch. Every $10 you spend, you know what? Every $5 you spend, no, every $10 you spend. No, every $5 you spend. Every $5 you spend would be an entry into winning PS5 giveaway. I'm gonna do it every 2 weeks. I don't have no PS5s on deck right now, but I got some coming. So I had those on deck, so y'all know I ain't capping. But yeah, definitely. What's wrong with you? Boy, crazy as hell. He got like a damn $2,000-$3,000 gaming setup upstairs that he said he was gonna use to start gaming for YouTube. He lied, okay? But he got it. So you want that gaming setup or you want a PS5? Which one? Which one? We'll talk about it later. Alright, let's hop in the truck and go to Academy Sports and Outdoors.
Crazy how I created you. Haven't saw your face, but I know you're precious too. I know your eyes bright, and I know your smile bright too.
Okay, look.
Yeah.
So why haven't you started your gaming channel yet?
What gaming channel?
For YouTube.
No questions.
No question. You just don't want to do it?
I do, but I don't.
Why? Because it takes work?
No.
Why? No, why not?
Because there's nothing.
I need to close this door, bro. This door ain't closed all the way. Why not?
Because what do I do?
What you mean? You watch? Don't you watch gamers on YouTube? Don't you watch? What's them guys you watch?
Unspeakable, Preston.
All right then, bro. So what's the problem? You know exactly. Do what they do.
Unspeakable 2.0, Unspeakable.
Hey! Don't be giving them shout outs now. You give them shout outs now, right? I know they got 20 million subscribers, but I don't need none of mine running over there. Alright, well, everybody watch Mr. Beast. So why you can't just just copy what they do? I mean, you pretty much do it anyways.
I can't.
Why not? Tell me why.
Because I don't know the games. It's Roblox, but the game on it, I don't know.
Oh, you gonna learn it.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
If you have to search it up, but I can never find it. And the games that I play, like, I don't even like playing them.
So why you playing?
Because I don't play them with my friends.
Oh. So you don't have a gaming, you don't want to start gaming because you don't have a game to play? Pretty much?
I would. That's because, like, any game.
Any game.
Like, Farm Simulator, like.
Yeah, why you don't do Farm Simulator?
You really just farm, you don't, like.
It's not fun?
No, like, you just farm.
What about GTA?
Yes.
You a game GTA?
Yes. Hey, you know why I will, because remember I always wanted to.
I didn't know you would.
Hey.
Do you know what to do on it? Do you know like missions and all that?
Yeah.
I bet, bro.
I'd rather do GTA. But I know you're gonna give me the normal one.
Normal one?
You know why I wanted to save up?
Save up for what?
For the goodest kind you can get.
The best kind?
Like, you know when you get it, it shows you like what you want with it.
Oh, you mean the little packages?
Yeah. Yeah, that's why.
Do you watch anybody that do GTA on YouTube?
What do you mean?
I mean, do you watch anybody who streams?
Yes,
So you...
multiple people. On Jelly, Cop, Trainer.
Bet. Alright. So I guess we can... You need that webcam, huh?
Wait a minute. Wait, what is it?
Snap.
What is that?
Alex, I just broke off your thing off here. Sorry, buddy. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Alright, well, I guess we'll figure it out. Because, you know, that computer, this mug's just going to waste. It's just sitting there like...
But wait a minute.
You told me that we just
Does the volume sound good?
I mean, it'll sound alright.
What does it like sound like?
On the mic?
Like when the video's out. That's why.
Oh no.
What
If
is
I
that?
use that mic, it's tripping. I don't know how to do it. But if I use the mic from the webcam, it'll be good.
I'm gonna give you all of me. Don't you know I love you? I'm gonna keep you warm when you're so cold. Don't you know I need you? I'm gonna stay by your side when no one there. I just wanna kiss you. Hold you close and never let you go. Teach you how to pray to God and save your soul. Sitting here trying to pick your name. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I just wanna see a smile on your face.
That's it. I told you.
You want that?
I have one already at my mom's, by the way.
Alright, so they got a helmet, but I kind of want to get them a better helmet.
Just
So
like these.
those are like biking, like those are not like the kind of biking you want to do. Those are like when you're just going in a straight line down a path.
And then what is
This is more for.
But this.
Nah, it's
Oh!
that did not hurt.
Ew.
Man, that boy soft as hell.
No,
How the hell the inside of a helmet hurt?
it isn't inside. It's this. My eye.
Oh, that hurt your eye?
Point of it.
Alright.
Oh,
That's it?
I don't know. It's wiggly.
Is it comfortable or not? Hell no. Look at it. Let me see.
Yeah.
No?
No.
What size is this?
Now do you see why?
I would say adult age is 14 and up.
Now do you see why you like wearing it?
Dumb as hell. Let me see this. This might be for kids. Oh, this your size.
And we have a big head.
Yeah, this
You
much
remember
better.
that from boys? We had to go to 50 people.
Alright, look. Cool?
Mhm.
Yeah. Solid! Alright, let's
Why
get
do
you some
bikes-
knee pads.
And a new bike.
And
my
some,
birthday.
some elbow pads.
And a new bike.
You ain't getting no new bike, boy. Why you want a new bike?
Bike is small.
Ain't that the size for your bike?
You supposed to have two sizes.
Oh,
Small
no.
and big.
Heck nah.
Small bikes are for chicks. Big bikes are not for chicks.
We need to find how to get you this damn.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Damn. That's the thing say Bluetooth. That's a Bluetooth speaker here, boy. There's a speaker in here. You gotta find pads.
You just realized that. Wait, let me see that.
What the hell?
Where's the speaker go?
Whoa.
Is it a
Stamina, bro. Here we go. This what I'm talking about. See, this is what you need. Boom, right here.
Oh my god.
Perfect. Perfect? Yes.
Wait,
Safe.
there's gloves in it?
Yeah,
Thank God.
I think so.
The food?
Good.
Thank
Alright, I
God.
think we got everything we need here, so.
You mind buying yourself a longboard?
What?
A longboard.
Well, you got a longboard here, ass. Come on.
No, you have it.
Alright, so as y'all can see, we are here. It is cool, bro. They got little ramps here and there. I see why you wanted to come here.
See?
Now let's talk about some rules. Whatever you do, stay away from that big old hole over there.
I hate that. It's going in
Yeah.
my life.
Don't try to drop it to that, alright? Yeah, it's gonna be over for you, buddy.
Normally they aren't that deep.
But you could definitely go and go up these ramps and stuff. And
These, do I really need these?
yeah, you definitely need those. Make sure you stay inside this gate. And Back in my heyday, you know, they used to call me Young Black Tony Hawk. You know what I'm saying? Who not Tony Hawk? You right, they used to call me Tony Eagle. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna grab this board right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go drop in over there. Hell nah. Follow you? Oh, I gotta get used to this, man, you know? You know when you was a little baby, I used to skateboard to come to your house and see you? I used to skateboard 25 miles. Nah, I'm kidding. Nah, I did skateboard one time though. I almost bust my ass about 12 times. I hit about 13 cracks. Are you ready? Let me see if I got some kick push left. Let's go somewhere where ain't so many kids in. Matter of fact, come on, I got an idea.
You gonna follow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna try to go down this hill over here. That's all she wrote. Nah, I'm chilling. Alright, bet. You said lean forward or don't lean forward?
Lean forward.
Lean forward?
Lean forward.
Lean forward?
Yes, lean forward.
Wait on the front. Alright, bet. Hey. Oh, I play football, alright? Football.
Yeah.
Oh, this what we gonna do, go.
Let me
Go! Nah, not down this hill. My head. Hey, come pull me. Come pull me. Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to you. Man, this ground ain't as soft as it's supposed to be. It ain't that smooth, bro. Look at all these imperfections. All right, hold on. You're gonna pull me that way. Pull me around there. I'm gonna hold on to the back. Hold on. All right, ready? All right, go ahead.
No! You're slowing me!
You supposed to be pulling me.
I am!
Oh yeah, we lit. Oh lit. Ah! I'm chilling, dog.
Follow me, I won't go
I don't
fast.
think they want to hit a big black man out here screaming.
Follow, okay?
You know what?
Just walk.
The way my ankles are set up,
Just
I don't
walk.
think I was born for this. Just walk. Oh, just walk. All right, bitch.
Oh, run.
I can do that. I'm not running. I got this hoodie on. All right, y'all. I want to show y'all something real quick. Come on over here. For the kids watching my channel, come on.
No, what are you about to do?
What I'm about to do?
Yeah. No, don't.
Bro, I ain't about to do that. Oh, hell no. All right, cool. You don't do it. Matter of fact, get away from that bowl.
Can I just go down it
No.
on feet?
Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that.
Okay.
Let me go first. Let me go first.
This is a big company.
Let me go right
Don't miss that.
here.
No, I got it. Let's go. This is how you do it.
It's a big old cereal bowl. Oh, you got it.
Daddy.
Oh, yeah, go and get all that energy out. Ooh, damn, yeah, knee pads for them. Broke the damn kneecaps out here. This is nice. Look at this, a big bowl of piss. What the hell we got going on? Cool. It's a vibe, bro. I see why you wanted to come here. This cool, man. I like it. You like it?
Can you?
Yeah.
Let's see who can run up here the fastest.
Ooh, that shit don't hurt. Shit don't burn them.
Yes or no?
I think I'm chilling on that, man. I think you're faster. I think you're
One
faster than me.
time, okay?
One time?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, what you mean?
Oh,
All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
wait.
So,
At 1 we go.
Dusty boy.
3, 2, 1, go.
Now you cheating. You gotta say 3, 2, 1, go.
I did.
Dusty boy.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah, it's over. It's over. It's over.
Oh.
It's over. You ain't gonna. Oh, hell no.
Adios.
It's lit. It's lit. I ain't gonna cap.
You can't just come.
A long time ago, when I was about your age, I had some rollerblades.
Oh, you went down there, you broke something?
Went to a skate park with my team. I think it was my baseball team or football team at the time. And as soon as I got there, I went to the ramp. It wasn't this deep, but it was kind of like this. And I just went for it. You know what happened? Almost lost all my damn teeth, all right?
Can you bring my bike down there to ride down here?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, at least I can just do that now. And I won't have to worry. Just toss it down. It's good.
It's gonna break.
No, it won't.
You might. Hey, I'm just sitting back there looking like a ghost in a scary movie. Come on. Come here. Come here. So, what's wrong with you, man? You hungry, huh? The charger? What is your phone on?
20.
So it's not about to die. It's on 20%. He tripping. She chilling. She over there acting crazy. Can't do it at the King Care warehouse. Anyways. Yeah, man. So, nah, bro. The skate park was a vibe, man. I'm actually about to head out, man. I gotta go handle some business. So, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. If you want a chance to win the PS5, like I said, man, just go to officialattraction.com. Cop some merch, man. I'm actually about to head to the merch shop now. Chop it over with them. I'm trying to work out a deal with them so we can benefit each other, you know what I'm saying? But get some customers going for y'all instead of like the little tees and hoodies. Trying to make some dope stuff. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. So I'm hungry. Everybody's hungry. Everybody's frustrated. About to go eat, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.
All black man, black tractor on my farm. Got a couple Cowboys cars up on my arm. Don't need ADP, this shotgun's my alarm. And I let that thing sing like the strings on my guitar. Yeah, yeah, yeah.